Good afternoon, Double Dippers, and welcome to the Festival of the Arts. One of my favorite festivals here at Epcot. We are here on this very brisk and cold day to go check out some art, maybe some food. Honestly, it's all sweet stuff. So if that's the case, then not really food as much as the art, but as a graphic design major, Festival of the Arts has to be my favorite. And I think just as like a general population, we can all agree that this is the best festival. Now, I will say, the only bummer about this festival is that there's no concerts. Like, there's the Broadway shows. Not a big Broadway guy. I've seen Hamilton. I know that doesn't count for some people, but like, that's as far as Broadway as I've been. I've been to Broadway. Haven't seen a show on Broadway. But besides that, yeah, it's my only slight against this festival. If they just had like performing artists, then like, and it's very windy if you can hear that. It's very cold. My hat's about to blow off my head. Alright, well, we stepped into Creation Shop, and here's the pass holder shirt for, see, the pass holder just feels tacked onto the shirt. It doesn't feel like a real part of it. I do like the pin though. The pin is $20. Oh, that is a nice spirit jersey.
Wait, and it says create your own magic.
Neat.
And that's super cute.
Yeah.
I actually really like that.
And then Figment's at the bottom left corner at the front as well.
Yeah, we went over there.
Yeah, that's a nice one. Good job, Disney merch people.
Magic band.
There's an old Magic Band.
Let's get some.
And then here's the regular pin.
At the resort. Come on.
And then here's that. Wait, that looks like practically the same pin as the AP. I'm going to show you the Magic Band. So Magic Band 2.0. Interesting. And then there's some corksicles over there, which I don't think I can. I'll see if I can swim over to. I feel like I prefer the like white color scheme of the other merchandise. That's also very Valentine's for some reason. Wait, focus. Focus on what's in front of you. There you go. It is $25. Add chalk art here. Interesting. And then they have a little Figment munchling. What scent is it? Yeah, it is Figment. Smell it. It smells.
It just smells like kind of like a mixed berry. It smells like I feel like there was like a Bratz doll when I was younger that had that scent to it.
Oh, all the synthetic scents that they put on toys. How much are these? Does not say. Love that. Oh, that's very cool.
I thought. $40. It's not that bad.
Yeah.
Should be a 40% off.
It's even signed by the artist. They have the step-in frames over here. They have the professional chalk art over here. And then you can do your own chalk art right over by the other side of Figment. We're about to walk over to the Figment's Inspiration.
Washed away because of the really hard rain.
Oh no!
That's why it doesn't make sense. Like,
That's a very unfortunate. I feel bad for all the artists that spent who knows how long on these. Well, I'm sure they'll be back out to touch them up later. But yeah, I even saw the pictures of them.
Face.
Yeah.
I can't make out.
They were much more vibrant this morning or yesterday. I think they actually showed up yesterday.
I
can only imagine how long people spend on these. Alright, we walked over the Odyssey. We're not here for the Figment popcorn bucket because, as you guys know, we have one. And they didn't change anything on it, so I don't have to buy this one. That's kind of nice, isn't it? But we're walking in here to check out, wow. There's an art display in here. It is very, very difficult to move through. I feel like they should have had this in the other. Very interesting.
They literally have like 10 groups of movies.
I feel like they should have had this in the other pavilion that they had it in last year, like where we picked up the buckets. Separated some of this crowd out. Alright, just to give you an idea of how windy it is. Look at this brave little duck. Out there adrift. Through the choppy waves. It will prevail.
Okay,
alright, we're trying to decide on what to eat.
Wait a second, we have have to help mommy read it, okay?
So I came into the art store next to American Adventure, and they have these really cool like 3D pieces. They're 2,800. There's Space Mountain, Everest, Sunny Eclipse. Alright, we're here in Morocco to try a lamb kebab and almond stuff.
That's everything you have to drink.
Uh-oh. Got a Mickey sauce.
Yes, please. That looks good.
Here's our
That's
lamb.
interesting.
Lamb log.
With chickpea and corn slaw.
Yeah, we ain't touching that. Alright. I'm gonna try the lamb kebab. Yeah. That's how meals usually work. You usually have dessert after. Okay.
I'm not a lamb person, or I've never had lamb, so.
Not all.
No, I've never had lamb.
It kind of tastes like sausage.
Kind of just like a meatball with garlic aioli. That's good.
Yep.
Like it. Okay.
You got these like little, what are they called?
It's an almond phyllo dessert, like phyllo dough, and it has like orange and chocolate sauce or something.
Sorry, give me that one.
It's like a.
Oh wow.
It's like a pecan pie, I think, like filling, but with almond in it. Right? Don't you think so?
That's very good. I don't like how crumbly the outside is, but the taste is definitely very good.
That was really good.
But where is the like? Are there whole almonds, or are
No.
they made like?
It's like minced into like a paste.
Okay, because I was afraid of like whole almonds, because I don't like whole almonds. All right, so leaving Morocco now. Overall, I'd say that's a 10 out of 10. The price wasn't bad. The food was really good. Either one. And now we're gonna go check out this Disney Gallery artist booth. So there was a long line to meet the artist, and those will die down as the festival progresses, because they did last year as well. Also, it's very quiet back here, weirdly. It's a really nice Nautilus piece. 400. Limited edition 95. Some love for some not so classic classics. Oh yeah. Alright. It has been a very busy and cold evening here at Epcot. But we're about to watch A Beacon of Magic. Not sure if it's the new one. But let's see. Let's begin. Oh, this is the 40th one, I believe. Still a good one.
Just make believe. Tiny little seed that's reaching up to meet your need. Let's listen to the land. Listen to the land. Listen to the land. Can't dream it, and we can do it. Yes, we can, yes, we can. If we can dream it, then we can do it. Yes, we can, yes, we can.
line for security right now is all the way back here. So that's fun. But we are heading out. So that's also fun. Alright, Double Dippers. I know we didn't spend long at Epcot, but it was crazy. And we'll definitely be back because we live here. So we didn't stick around too long. Got to see a couple art booths and try some new food. So pretty eventful night. And with all that being said, hope you enjoyed. We'll see you
the next day.
Good afternoon, Double Dippers, and welcome to the Magic Kingdom. It is officially still Christmas at Magic Kingdom for who knows what reason, but we are here for one purpose and one purpose only. It is to ride the Walt Disney World Railroad, which opened a couple weeks ago, but we've been working and we finally have time. We have barely enough time to hop on. And now we are in the Magic Kingdom. It's been a while since I've videoed the touch point process. It's just like, it used to be such a magical thing, and now it's like, it seems to work less and less every time because of the reservation system, which, as you all have heard, is going to get slightly better, only for annual pass holders. Don't know why that is. Also, light, there we go, light adjusted. But in just a few months, weeks, days. Oh,
Very odd.
cool. Yeah. Well, I was just saying this Cinderella's over here, like out in front of the Town Square Theater. But we are heading to the top of the train station.
There's another one. That one's about.
Well, this one, and they can take us to the other one.
Okay, what do we park for?
Or, I mean, where I don't really know where the next train station would be. Like, I don't know if Fantasyland's the next one. I know
There's Tomorrowland.
there's not Tomorrowland.
I mean, Fantasyland.
Fantasyland
And
Frontierland
yeah.
and somewhere else.
Isn't there just 3 stops?
I don't know. It's been what, 3 years since it was open? 4 years? The last time we rode it was on his first trip, so it's been a while. I definitely know of the Splash Mountain location, because that's one of my favorites. So we'll probably get off there, maybe. But yeah, as you can see, still have the Christmas tree, still have the nutcrackers. I think they've taken some of the decorations down, but not all of them. But they're also still playing Christmas music, which is weird. Kona, this is your first time at the train station. How does it feel? I wonder if they remodeled this, because it looks like, I don't think so, but like the tile kind of looks cleaner. Ah, yes, the old machines from the penny arcade. Yeah. You were with us when we played with all the penny arcade machines, right?
My last time on this was when we got engaged. Because remember we came in here to get ice cream.
I'll see you. I'm sorry. I was having fun with the penny arcade machine. We're waiting on the train. That's a lot of people. This is most people. Well, we didn't make that train. What are you doing? Careful.
circle tour of the Magic Kingdom. It stops along the way in Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs.
Yeah, we're going bye-bye.
We're currently departing Main Street Station. If you're missing those friendly faces already, not to worry. On this train, it's never goodbye. It's always see you real soon.
There you go.
These carriage doors all the way off the platform before unfolding. That'll help make room for any new bubbles. Watch your step now.
Oh wow,
This
we're
is
right there.
Frontierland Station.
Please remain seated till the train comes to a full and complete stop and we say the two words all clear.
Splash is looking busy today.
If you're just joining us, a hearty welcome aboard. We're heading for our next stop, Fantasyland, before carrying on to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated and keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your belongings. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. Those of you who've been riding with me for a spell already know how much I
that's a
love
great
minding
view.
this railroad. But for those times I'm fixing for something a bit wilder, Big Thunder Mountain is the place. Because there, the trains have a mind of their own.
Look, wait, don't touch that part.
It's a train.
Train my shadow to stay put.
And while we're being neighborly, what say we give our fellow travelers a friendly wave hello? This is Main Street Station, after all. Welcome to Main Street, USA.
All right, we're gonna go see Mickey Mouse now.
Thank you.
You ready to meet Mickey?
Oh my God.
No, you won't give high fives, you silly. You left Mickey hanging, you silly. Oh. Is he moving? What is Mickey doing? What's Mickey doing, you silly? Yeah! You silly. Do you want to take a picture with Mickey Mouse?
Why don't you get a cookie?
Alright, let's go. We got ours.
Yeah, I got ours. And then we got a Rice Krispie treat, which I'll. There you go. You go look at it.
Here to get our discount.
Yeah. Apparently we get, was it 40%?
We got.
Oh, I do want to look at the screen because I think they had a
We
couple
got
items.
$3 off of our order.
Yeah, it was like nothing after we used our gift card and
I paid
discount.
$2.
Yeah, it was really nice.
Got a Mickey cookie.
Kona guy's Mickey cookie. The nighttime crowds at Magic Kingdom tonight are pretty crazy. We had a lightning lane for Haunted Mansion, but we just like decided to leave because it was forever long for the lightning lane. And when we got here, Mickey and Minnie, or Mickey meet and greet, which, by the way, didn't they say that Mickey and Minnie would be meeting and greeting there, and they did for like a month or so, and then stopped? I don't know what that was about. And then Mickey was like a 5-10 minute wait when we got here. Now it's shot up to, it was 45, and then you saw the line for the carousel. Very strange night here at Magic Kingdom. Alright, Double Dippers, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed. We finally got to ride the train today and do a couple other things, but the train was our priority, so I'm glad we finally got to ride that. It was fun, but I know I said this to Anna, I don't know if I said this to you guys, but it is a little bit of a bummer that they didn't like add anything to it since it was closed for so long. But so glad it's back. I hope you enjoyed. We'll see you next video.